Thank you, Mayor Season.
The 3rd of June, Rabbi Furst, Mishna Berura.
Hey, good morning again. Rabbi Stolperst here. We're returning after a bit of a break to the Mr. Berura Helig Bays, Elkas Betsias Afas, washing for a motzi, making a motzi, eating a motzi, and that is in Simon Kuf Samik Zion. We're going to begin. Um, let's uh, let's start Sif Gimel. We're in the middle here. Sif Gimel. Making the question here now is after you've washed your hands and now you're going to have to make the bracha hamotzi. What and how do you do that?
Okay, so Sif Gimel, let's see, says, well, Ein Levarech. One sec. Where are we?
Kuf Samik Zion, Sif Gimel.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, it says, Ein Levarech Kodem Sheyitpos Halechem. Okay, so one should not say the blessing before he grasps the bread.
Right. What does that mean? Let's take a look at the Mishnah Berurah Sifkat and Kav Beis.
Okay, let's see. Well, let me just find it. Cuff bait. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, so Kodem Sheyipos. So that's before he takes, he grabs the bread. She'ein mevarchin al ha-mitzvot ela samuch la'asitan. Okay, so one does, let's see. Ein mevarchin, we don't say the blessing of a mitzvah unless we're close to doing it, it looks like, right before we're doing it.
Right. That's right.
Okay. Kasha mitzvah biyado la'asota lo kodem lachein. And that when the mitzvah is in his hand to do it, and not before that. Not before that. Okay. Let's see. Diavad in beirach v'achar nitalo biyado. Okay, so however, if one says, I guess, the blessing, and afterwards grabs the bread in his hand, gam kain ein tzarich lachzor l'vareg. So also here, he does not need to repeat I guess, the process and say the blessing. Kedil kaman b'siman reish vav. As we'll see, I guess, below in Siman Reish Vav Sif Dalid. Ein Sham Mishnah Berura. And look there in the Mishnah Berura.
Right. So as it as it is with most cases of brachas on things, whenever you are going to make a bracha on something, you should be holding the object in your hand as you're making the bracha, or you should be ready to do the object of your bracha directly after you finish your bracha, not to have a delay between the bracha and doing of the mitzvah or the eating of the food, saying Psukkah de Zimra, Hallel, make a bracha that grows as Hallel, so you should start right in and say the Hallel, beginning the Hallel right after you make the bracha. Now you're gonna make a bracha, or the bracha's brach she'omer on Pesukei Zimra, you should finish the bracha right, on the Pesukei Zimra and start right in with the Pesukei Zimra. You're going to make a bracha on a talis, you should have the talis already ready to go, not make the bracha and then take it out of the bag, unravel it, check the tzitzis. That's not proper to make such a delay in your fulfillment of mitzvahs.
Hmm.
Likewise here, bread should be held in your hands, ready to be cut and eaten immediately at the end of the bracha of Mutzalechem in Aretz. Not if it's on the table, you didn't hold it, so that's not going to require that you reset and go back and do the mitzvah again. Okay, and that's a general rule. Let's continue on now with Sif Daled. Just take
Okay,
a look at
Dalit.
yeah.
It says, let's see, Yitain shtei yadav al hapat b'sha'at habracha. Okay, so you should put both of your hands on the bread at the time of the bracha. Sheyesh, I'm sorry. Sheyesh bahem asa, eser etzbaot. Oh, so that he needs to have all 10 fingers. Keneged Eser. Oh, uh, uh, similar to the 10 mitzvot,
Which
Hatluyot.
like Keneged, which correspond. They correspond to the 10 mitzvahs
Oh, wow.
What is Hatilios?
that are dependent, literally to me, that they're dependent on bread. We'll see what that means. We'll work that out maybe.
Wow. So there are 10 mitzvot that are dependent on bread. Wow.
So you're supposed to cut all 10 fingers to the bread?
Right. When you're holding your bread, you're holding even if you're holding a slice of bread or a roll, or you're holding your two challahs, right? So make sure all 10 fingers from both hands are touching the bread as you're making the bracha.
Wow. Hmm. Okay. That's what we're condition to Liyot. Okay, Bipat. Okay. Lakach yesh eser tevot b'bracha hamotzi. And there are 10 words in the bracha of hamotzi. Wow. The eser tevot b'pasuk matzmiach hatzir lebehema. Okay, and there are 10 words in the pasuk matzmiach semach.
Yeah,
What's
the
that?
pasuk matzmiach chatzir lebehema. Right. That's well. We're not gonna have time to look it up now, but for tomorrow we'll take a look at that pasuk.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's a pasuk. Okay. Of Eser Tevot pasuk. Oh, here's another pasuk. Einei kol elecha yisaberu. Of Eser Tevot pasuk. Eretz chita useara. Okay. The Eser Tevot pasuk vayiten lecha. And there's also 10 words in the pasuk vayiten lecha. Wow, a
That's
lot of
good.
tens.
Yep. So okay, well we're gonna have it. I think yeah, we'll stop here, and we're going to go over this mechaber. We'll see the Mishabur's explanation, and then we'll even have a chance to look up some of these psukim and see what the correspondence is over here. Okay, very good. Thank you, Mayor.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Lou. Should both have a good afternoon, Ritz Hashem, and see you tomorrow.
Okay. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Okay,
Thank you, Lou. Thank you, man.
bye-bye.
Shalom, bye.